Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making Grandma Durfee's cloud biscuits. So let's get started. Okay, what I like to do is start off with my flour. Sugar, salt, and baking powder. I like to give it a bit of a mix before I add my shortening. And I add my shortening. Now I'm going to take my pastry cutter, and just cut this into the flour. Now we're going to add our milk. And our eggs all at once. And work that in. Okay, now we're going to put a lightly, well, kind of a lightly floured surface. I'm going to knead this about 20 strokes. So anything that isn't mixed up will get mixed up. My family likes thick biscuits, so I'm not rolling them out really thin or anywhere near thin. Now I've made 2 batches here, and that is about as thin as we like to do. We like to make them. So I have a pan here. It says to put them on an ungreased pan. Well, do we have room? One more spot. I don't like crowding them, but I don't want to get another pan out for them either. Well, here is our pan of biscuits, and we are off to the oven. So the biscuits will bake at 450 for 10 to 12 minutes. Because they're so thick, I want to check the middles and make sure they're done. So we're going to pick one of the biggest ones. Let's do this. Whoops. Oh, look at this. They are perfectly done. This is a cloud biscuit, and these are the type of biscuits we like to use for biscuits and gravy. Today we're going to today we're going to use our biscuits for chicken a la king. And we need to try one. My butter's slightly cold, but that's okay. It's all melted on here. This is a good biscuit. Especially if you put some jam on it, that would be really good. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.